tell you all about two people that want to apply for a freelance job. Listen carefully. Now, the first person applies, right? And the client requests for their email address. Guess the email they submitted. cutiechobi123@gmail.com. This is for the first person. Now, the second person applied for the same freelance job, and when the client requested for their email, they gave John Okafor or onionra@gmail.com or onyiscreate@gmail.com. Now, who do you think the client is going to take serious? The person with cutiechobi123 or onionra@gmail.com? Obviously, you know the answer. The client will hesitate immediately they see cutiechobi123 because it looks like, what kind of email is this? The client will check the other one, onionra@gmail.com. That looks more professional. Now, what are we talking about today? I want you all to note something, guys. People judge you based on your professionalism before they can pay you. If you don't appear or present yourself as a professional, people will not trust your brand. They will not pay you. Just get it today that you need to look professional. You need to present yourself as a professional. Even if you're not an expert in that field, you still need to package yourself. Everything you see online is packaged, you know. The way you package yourself is the way people will perceive you. So you need to learn how to package everything from the basics. Welcome to the 8th of our online income challenge. Today we are not talking about making money directly. We are talking about building the digital foundation that makes it easier for people to trust you. Remember, when they trust you, they will be able to pay you immediately. If people don't trust you, if you cannot build trust, I mean, it will be so difficult for you to make money online. So today we are setting up the foundation that when people see us, when they see us, they will already perceive our professionalism. Do you understand? You may be asking, Onyi, why is this important? Why does my email need to look a kind of way? Why can't I use cutiechobi? Look at it this way, guys. If you build a very beautiful mansion, the house is very beautiful, but the foundation is looking skeptical, the foundation is not solid, what will happen? Even though that building is beautiful, it is fine, everybody is saying wow, 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 it is still going to collapse one day. Same thing applies to your online business. If you don't focus on building the basics before putting other things, before building on it, it will collapse one day. Take that from me. If all you're about is, oh, my business logo, how to create good content, get the latest iPhone, create good content, but the basics of the basics, you don't have them set properly, you're going to shake. You are definitely going to shake. So that is why today's video is so important. I need you to watch to the very end. Give this video a thumbs up if you feel you're getting value. Only we appreciate that, you already know. So the first foundation, or the first thing you need to do, is your email. You need to get a professional email. And when I say a professional email, it doesn't necessarily need to be email. You can use Gmail, you can use Yahoo Mail, you can use whichever one you're using, but just ensure that you're not doing things like sugargirl@gmail.com, football lover@gmail. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't look professional. You can actually use your business name. Let's say you're into design and you have leodesigns@gmail.com, or you can use your name and your surname, Omura Onyinye@gmail.com. That looks more professional. When you present that to a client, I mean, it looks more okay compared to cutiepie@gmail. Sometimes I see some email on people's bio and I'm like, what is this? Is this a professional email? You know, most times you don't take those basic things serious, but trust me, they matter. So first things first, go ahead and get yourself a professional email if you don't have one yet. The second thing you need to do is organize your Google Drive. Guys, you see this particular one, it has saved me a lot. Organizing my files, organizing my folders, and sending things to their different folders in my Google Drive, it has saved me a lot of headache. Most of you, when you create your content or when you have ideas, you just write it somewhere in your phone, you just keep it on one WhatsApp a private WhatsApp message and all that, what if that phones disappear? We are not praying for it, but what if something happens to your phone, it crashed or something happened and you need to flash the phone? You don't have a backup. You need to have a backup. That's why your Google Drive is there. I have about 7 emails. All the 7 emails, they have their drive, and all that drives, I will show you, they are almost filled. Why? Because I love saving things in case of incasity. You don't want to just depend on your phone, your content, or your video content are on your phone directly, but the one you've not posted. Some of us that batch create content, like me, I can sit down and create about 2 YouTube videos and maybe 5 Instagram reels for my business and for my personal brand. And if I should leave all this thing on my phone, what if something happens to that phone? I will start crying. Oh, my content, the time, the effort, everything, the idea I put into creating that content is gone. No, I don't take that risk. I send everything immediately, forward it to my drive. When I'm ready, I go and get them there. Not just that, my suppliers list, you guys know I have suppliers list, those that are into channel importation. I saved everything in my drive. That was how I was able to get all those suppliers list that I'm selling to you guys for 25k. Suppliers I bought from since I started importation, that I've been buying from, that sold exactly what they posted on their page. People that give me quality value for my money. I don't throw away their contacts. I have a folder where I arranged all those contacts so that when I want to buy tomorrow, I don't go back to 1688 and start hustling for how to get a new supplier. No, I go back to those suppliers that have been giving me value from the get-go and I buy from them. That was the reason why when most of you started requesting, oh, we need a suppliers list, it was easy for me to, compile everything I have on my drive, the PDF, which is our 70 plus China suppliers contacts that you can buy from anytime, any day, and they deliver premium quality. So learn to save stuff, organize yourself, organize your important files, your document, your pictures, your videos. Have different folders on your drive where you organize your stuff. It helps, trust me. Your document, there are some documents you have, your certificate, organize them in your drive for safety purpose. The third thing you need to put in place, please create a strong password. Some of you, we can easily guess your password. Once I know your date of birth, I know your password. Some of you use one password all through your banks, your phone, all the apps you have, your drive, your email, everything, one single password. That is why once they get hold of your phone, we're not praying for anything negative, all right? But I'm trying to be realistic. When they get hold of your phone with one password, they'll be able to wipe out everything. Have different passwords for different things. I don't know if this sounds okay or if it sounds cliche, but this is how I work. My bank apps cannot have the same password, people know. I have different passwords, but we're not talking about bank apps. Like the stuff you have online, my Instagram, my Facebook, my TikTok, my drive, where I save my personal document. They have their password. So please, organize different passwords, know how to be able to remember them. They should be related. And again, those of you that don't have two-step verification, you have Instagram accounts, you don't have two-step verification, they can hack into your account any day and your whole effort is gone. You have your YouTube channel is growing, you've not turned on two-step verification. What are you doing? You are at risk right now. So go and check it immediately after watching this video. Your email, no two-step verification. Your Facebook, go to security very fast. Your business pages, Instagram and Facebook, go to security right now and set up two-step verification so that somebody cannot just from anywhere log into your account. Before they log into your account, any of your accounts, you are going to get notification. You are going to get abrupt fast notification immediately. Go set up to see. It is funny how this sounds easy and simple, but most of you don't have it turned on. Go and turn on your two-step verification. Do the needful. Your WhatsApp where you have a lot of contact customers. Some of you post on WhatsApp, your views is thousands. Go turn on your two-step verification, please. I beg you, this is so important. You don't want to lose stuff. You don't want people to hack into your account. Your WhatsApp groups where you teach people things, you're into coaching, those WhatsApp groups, you don't want them to log you off. Next thing you need to do, please have a business contact list. Have a business contact. A business contact is so important. See, this is something that currently is even still affecting me. The one number I have, I am using it for my business, and families have that number. In fact, it is just haphazard. It is about this year, I think beginning of this year, that I tried separating my business and family, so that you know that this phone number is for business. Whenever I see WhatsApp messages in this particular WhatsApp number, I know it is strictly business. When I see on this other one, I know it is family and friends. If it's emergency, I know. Please, you need to differentiate it. Your business should have its WhatsApp number, its own contact number, and for your family, your friends and all, you have a separate one, so that you will know this is for business. Not when you post your number online. Like me, I usually post my phone number online. Imagine if I've not started separating it now. Somebody can just pick up, people can call you, people can send you random, people can send you useless videos, if you get what I'm saying. So you know which is which. This is for my business, this is family. Now for my business is where I focus on growing and, you know, focus on getting more contacts, building more contact lists, so that my WhatsApp status view can actually grow. People have up to 10,000 people in their business contact, that when they post on their status, they have thousands of views and they are able to sell fast. So if you don't start now to start setting this up, later on you'll be like, you have some regrets. So separate your personal number, your private number, from your business number. Go get a new SIM card, register it for your business. The one you already have been using for family and friends, it should be your private number. Get the one that you can freely post anywhere. When you post your product or your service, you add your phone number, people can call you, they can WhatsApp. You know, this is strictly for business. Anybody that is calling this number 09, it is strictly business. Do you understand? The next thing I need you to do is try to create your daily planner. Like, plan your day, plan your routine, know what you're doing daily. This is a game changer for me. Before now, I'll just wake up and start doing things haphazardly. Sometimes I'll just pick my Instagram and just be scrolling, and before you know it, an hour is gone. But now I plan my day. I plan a day before. Like when I get home now, right, I'm going to plan what I'm going to do tomorrow. First, I'm going to evaluate myself based on the plan I have yesterday. I wrote down yesterday for today. I'm going to evaluate, take the ones that, you know, I was able to complete, and I'll plan tomorrow. I plan ahead. So learn to plan your day. Not you just see that you're busy doing things that you cannot really account for. Being busy is not being productive. I hope you know that. For the fact that you're active, looking for this, looking for that, you're tired at the end of the day, ask yourself, were you productive that day? If you check where, you see, no, you didn't really achieve something tangible. So what will help you to stay in track, monitor your progress, monitor what you're doing, and even stay disciplined is planning your day. Let's say you wake up in the morning, you're able to script out your content. You know, when you just woke up after your prayers, please, God first though, after your morning devotion and everything, you can write down ideas that you have. Fresh ideas will definitely come. Write them down. That's what you do in the morning. If you can script them, you do them. If during the noon time is when you shoot your content, you already know. But ensure you're working with a plan. Ensure you're working with a plan. Don't do things haphazardly. If you keep doing things haphazardly, trust me, at the end of the day, when you recollect, you will notice that what have I been doing all day? I didn't really achieve something tangible. But once you learn how to plan, allocate time for different tasks, trust me, you will stay focused. It will help you to be focused, as in laser focused, because you don't want to lose track of time. You don't want the time for the other tasks to come and you're still doing A. Does it make sense? Try to plan your day. So guys, today is simply setting foundations. Setting what foundation? So assignment for today, go ahead, get your email, get your professional email. Assignment number 2, get a phone number for your business. Don't join business contacts with personal contacts. Separate them. Trust me, you will thank me for this. Separate them. And if you've not been planning your day, start planning today. As in right now, plan your tomorrow. Plan how you want your day to go, the things you want to achieve, hour by hour. Plan it. Trust me, if you do this, you'll see that you'll start achieving more. Your productivity will increase. Hope you found this helpful. This is not a long video. I'll see you all tomorrow, day 9. Guys, we are going deeper. Yeah, day 9 out of 90. But trust me, things are coming your way that you don't want to miss out. I'll see you tomorrow. I love you.